Hello, welcome back to the second part of this modded series. In the last one, we fixed up the power plant, saw the farm, and I got the mushroom cows. Now, I know what to do now. I know how to get milk and also mushroom stew off of them. I need to use the rancher from Mine Factory Reloaded. I believe I might have some. Let me look. They wouldn't be in. No, they wouldn't be in here. They would not be in there. Okay. Rancher. No, I don't have a rancher, but I can make one. I gotta make 3 of them. But yes. So let's go to the farm. Actually, no, I have to make an axe first because I lost my damn axe. Fucking damn it. Sorry about that. I don't like the Minecraft music. I really don't. So what I did was I changed all of the Minecraft music and replaced it with music that I like. So now, instead of a Minecraft song playing, I hear a song that I hear on Spotify. Yeah, pretty cool. Anyway, let's go do that. Let's go do what we need to do. I'm kind of nervous about just leaving the rain on because it has a tendency to fuck with the tracks. I don't like that. God, they're everywhere. They're everywhere. Hey, that's what you get, man. You're in the way. You're gonna get hit. Oh god damn it! Why do you gotta go in there? You're stupid. You know you're stupid. Get out of here. See why do they always go? Why? Oh my god! This is a mistake. See they just love going where they're not supposed to go. I gotta kill them all because they just. Oh my goodness! Stupid fucking cows. Gee, they go where they want. They go and then they just get stuck. They get stuck. They're stupid. Either way, gotta knock down these posts. Just, I don't want to eat. I don't want to get steak off of these. I want milk and I want mushroom stew. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh. Even if they do die, what do I get? Do I get anything? I know I just get steak. I might as well just have cows if I want to ranch them. I mean, grind them. This thing is called a grinder, you know. It's a little sus, but yeah. Okay. Oh, that's easy. That's an easy recipe. Okay. These have no power. Oh, but now, I can give them power. Hold on. I apologize for the last video just cutting out. Screencast-O-Matic only allows 15 minutes. 15 minutes exactly. So at the 15-minute mark, the video would just stop, which I don't really like, but whatever. Alright, I need to do, yeah, I got some things to do here. Okay. Hold on, let me get those ranchers. Alright. How many? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 9. I need 9. Okay. And 3 of those. Oh, did you hear that? The lightning struck something. How do you make shears again? Oh, just like that. Okay. I don't need these anymore. Oh, wrong place. Why are they just crowding over here, man? Gosh, you guys are so stupid, I swear. They always like the edges. The corners, I mean, the corners. I hope they get attracted with weed, man. Yes, they do. They do. They do. They do. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I'll be right back. Friggin' sorry, I get so many damn fucking phone calls. See, now you're stuck, because you're stupid. Pay attention to me. You're not paying attention to me. You guys are so fucking stupid, I swear to God. You know what? Fuck it. I'm just gonna murder them all. They're all, man, they're all just stupid. Just, just don't pay attention to me and see what happens. There's a whole bunch of them at the fucking mushroom aisle, so I can just go get some more. Okay, alright. Okay. I think that's about good. Oh. You guys are left. Alright. Use the axe. There we go. Oh, I never made those ranchers. Is it still recording? I hope it's still recording. It better still be fucking recording. Alright. That's not right. I love being stupid. Just like that. Okay, so I need 6. Okay.